In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your Facebook business account. Now, we all know how important it is to manage our social media presence. And sometimes, this means knowing how to delete an account you no longer need. I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to log in to your Facebook business account. This is absolutely crucial, as you need to be inside your account to access the settings we'll be working with. Once logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and find the menu icon, often represented by a small downward triangle. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select Settings and Privacy. This will expand to show additional options, and you'll need to click on Settings. By doing this, you're entering a hub where most configuration changes can be made. Next, you'll be navigating to the section labeled Access and Control. This is where you'll manage various permissions and account preferences. Keep in mind, Facebook regularly updates its interface, so if you don't see this option immediately, it might be nested under another submenu related to privacy or security. Once you're in Access and Control, you'll see options regarding account deactivation or deletion. Click on Deactivate Page or Delete Page. This step is critical, as it allows you to choose between a temporary and permanent removal of your page. If you're certain you want to delete your business account entirely, click on Continue when prompted. This action often raises concerns about data loss, so Facebook provides an option to download or transfer your information. At this point, you'll see choices to download your information or transfer a copy of your information. It's wise to take advantage of this, especially if you have valuable data or media stored on your account. After deciding whether to back up your information, click Continue again. You'll be prompted to enter your password as a security measure. This step ensures that only you can make fundamental changes to the account. Simply type in your password and proceed by clicking Continue. Finally, you'll be faced with the decisive moment. Click on Delete Page. It's a significant step, so ensure that you no longer need this business account before proceeding. Once you click Delete, the account removal process will commence. And there you have it. This is how you remove your Facebook business account, a straightforward yet crucial process. Remember, once deleted, retrieving the data afterward may not be feasible, so ensure you're fully prepared before completing these steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.